Welcome to Anonymous Profit, where we believe that financial literacy is key to achieving your goals and unlocking a better future. Our channel is dedicated to providing you with easy-to-understand, insightful, and actionable content to help you navigate the complex world of finance. Do you want to become a millionaire in your 20s? These 5 lessons, when implemented, will not only put you on the path towards becoming a millionaire, but also allow you to level up as a person. It's one thing to become rich later in life, but becoming rich in your teens and 20s will unlock a level to life that you didn't even know existed. It's not just about the money, but about the person you need to become to earn that money. I made my first $1 million in profit at the age of 18, and the biggest lesson I've learned is that there are truly a million ways to make $1 million. Lesson 1. Don't be afraid to try different ways to make money. There are a million ways to make $1 million, but not all of them are practical. Many are unnecessarily difficult. However, there are enough ways that, while not easy, are simple. Having made millions through various methods, I've seen that different things work for different people. One of the biggest mistakes is trying to force success with one method. Consistency and tenacity are important, but so is finding what works best for you. Try different things, acquire different skills, and eventually combine them. Lesson 2. Address personal problems. You don't actually have business problems. You have personal problems manifesting in your business. Early in your career, you might struggle to get to the next level and look for reasons. Often, these are just scapegoats. The real issues are deeper within yourself. I learned that my young age wasn't the problem. It was my lack of understanding of the market and how to create a good offer. Taking full responsibility for everything in my life allowed me to achieve significant success in a short time. Lesson 3. Invest in yourself first. You won't invest your way to riches. Investing is important, but when you only have a small amount of money, investing won't yield significant returns. Instead, invest in yourself and your skills. Skills that can generate more money are invaluable. Attend business seminars, public speaking events, or learn a new skill. The returns on self-investment can be immense compared to traditional investments. Lesson 4. Break the shackles. You need to learn to let go of everything that's holding you back. Imagine what your life would look like if you eliminated everything that doesn't serve your goals. Removing distractions and bad habits can propel you forward. Delete time-wasting apps, sell your gaming console, and cut off negative influences. This will create a clear path to success. Lesson 5. Make a promise. Make a promise to someone you love. This promise should be so meaningful that you cannot conceive of breaking it. This isn't just a promise to someone else, but also to yourself. It ensures you will achieve your goals for both your loved one and yourself. This promise provides motivation and accountability, driving you to succeed. Conclusion. These 5 lessons will set you on a path to becoming a millionaire in your 20s. The only thing standing between you and that goal is a little bit of work. Get to it, and remember, I'll be watching from afar, rooting for your success. Conclusion. Unlock your potential and achieve financial success by embracing diverse income streams, addressing personal challenges, investing in yourself, eliminating obstacles, and making meaningful commitments. At Anonymous Profit, we're here to guide you on your journey to financial literacy and a brighter future. Start today, and remember, the only thing standing between you and your goals is a bit of hard work. Let's get to it.